Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Ruhul Islam Saidi, and today I'm going to talk about repurchase agreement or repo. Repurchase agreement or repo is traded in money market for short-term financing. When someone need short-term financing, they can issue repurchase agreement for short-term financing. And what happens in repurchase agreement? If someone needs short-term financing, they can issue repurchase agreement within agreement to repurchase it within a specific time period and a specific price. And we can describe repurchase agreement from different perspective. Then we can call it a reverse repo. From buyer's perspective, suppose I'm the buyer of repo and I'm purchasing the repo within agreement to sell it within a specific time period and a specific price, then we can call it the reverse repo. The maturity period of repo is 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, and the participant of repo is financial institutions like banks, money market, loan and associations. But the important thing about repo is that the participant or transaction party should be approved by the central bank, and the security should also be approved by the central bank. Simply, if you say what is repo, repo is a transaction of loan which is backed by securities, and the benefit of repo is that the initial purchasing price and agreed selling price. And from the issuer perspective, what is the benefit of repo? There's a very crucial benefits from the issuer side. Suppose I'm issuing a repo for 15 days and it will mature tomorrow, then but still I need the money for my operations. Then what I can do, I can issue another repo from another entities. Then I can use that another entity's money to the and give it to the maturing party. This is the way, and I can continue this cycle as long as I want. This is the way I can use short-term financing for long-term work or long-term work. This is it. Thank you.